go to the right, follow the Chimney Rock Loop Trail for 2 miles, and then I think it'll intersect with the Cherokee Ridge Alpine Trail. February 21st, and I'm hiking on the Cherokee Ridge Alpine Loop Trail system that's up around Lake Martin, Alabama. This is about a 4-mile segment of trail. It follows the shoreline of Lake Martin for some distance, and it's a beautiful little trail to take on a Sunday afternoon. It's 55 degrees or so, and it couldn't be better weather for a day hike like this. Parking lot was full when I left the trailhead. Every parking spot was filled up, and it has about 15 or 20 parking spaces, but I've only seen 2 other people on the trail since I've been on it. If you didn't know any better, you'd think you were in the Smoky Mountains. We're going to head back to the trailhead, 6/10 of a mile ahead. I've got KP duty this afternoon. and we are going to go to the emergency trail to the parking lot. As I said before, I'll come back and do the Cherokee Ridge Alpine Trail itself in another weekend or two.